Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process how you can easily change the accent color in Windows 11. Now, if this video will be helpful, what you can do is like share down below in the comments that it helped you, so when other people will come here, they will know what to do. So you want to go on the bottom, on the start, right click on it, click settings, and then click on personalization. And when you're going to be here in personalization, you want to click on the colors under background, and you're going to have the accent colors here, and you have like manual here, and you can simply choose which colors you want. So that's something you can do, and this is how we do it. So this is how you can change accent colors in Windows 11. If this video will be helpful, guys, write me down below in comments that it helped you, so when other people can know too. Thank you, have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.